Hey guys, today I am making low carb lemon bars and it's just a few ingredients. It's very easy and straightforward. You just have some almond flour, coconut flour, some eggs, lemon, and a little honey. And if you want, you can add stevia, and it's a guilt-free snack and you can use it for breakfast. If you want to reheat it, you can add butter on it. If you want to make it a little sweeter, it's not too sweet, but you can add, like I said, stevia or a little more honey. It's totally up to you. But it's great because you can enjoy a nice little cake and not feel guilty, because it'll help support your weight loss journey. And it's a crowd pleaser, so it's great for the kiddos as well. So let's dive in.
So I actually modified the original recipe and I doubled it. So I'll just tell you what the measurements I did. So I did 2 cups of blanched almond flour and about half a cup of coconut flour. The recipe called for coconut flakes, but I didn't have that, so I just used coconut flour in its place. Then I added a half a teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. Then I added 2 teaspoons of baking soda. So as you can see, I mixed up all the dry ingredients together and I mixed it up really well. I did add some stevia to the mix just to make it a hint sweeter, but that's up to you. Then I beat 6 eggs really well, and I ended up adding a 7th egg just because the eggs were a little small, and so the extra egg added more moisture. Next, I added 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Again, I doubled the recipe, so I used 2 loaf pans and I greased them. Then I melted butter, about 2 tablespoons, but if you want to go paleo, you can swap that for melted coconut oil. Then I added the melted butter to the vanilla extract and egg mixture, and then I added about 1/4 cup of raw honey. Then I added the dry mixture to the wet mixture, and of course I mixed it very well. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention the lemon. So I squeezed 2 fresh lemons, and that gave enough of a lemon flavor to this cake. And of course I mixed everything very, very well. Then I added the mixture I kind of divided it between the 2 loaf pans, and then I just used the spoon to flatten the surface and then popped it in the oven. It was probably in the oven for about 45 minutes, but you want to wait until the fork comes out clean and the edges are golden brown. And you can add butter for some buttery taste and extra flavor. It's just delicious. It's nice and dense, thick, and moist. It's just so good. So delicious, and I hope you all like and subscribe.